Hi friends, in this video let us solve single system matter question asked in GATE 2008 EC paper. The question is let x of t and be the input and y of t be the output of a continuous time system. Match the system properties P1, P2 and P3 with relation R1, R2, R3, R4. So first we have to find what is this nature because we are talking about linear and time invariant. So first we see this. See, this is x of t, y of t. So y of t is proportional to x of t, so it is linear. Proportionality is maintained. But the t squared is there, it is multiplication factor. T is coming as multiplication factor, surely it will be a time variant. If you have any doubt, please refer my videos on linear and time invariant signal system. Okay, what about this? This is mod x. Modulus is not at all a linear function, so it is non-linear. Right? So t into x of t, it is multiplication by t, so surely it is time variant. Then modulus non-linear. Right? So okay. And this is time invariant also because it is not multiplied by any factor t. Then x of t minus 5, y of t, x of t minus, you see it is y is proportional to x linear and it is not multiplied by anything or no scaling, no time reversal, so it is time invariant. So let us find the answer now. Linear but not time invariant. But not time invariant means linear and time variant. Right? So what is the answer? Linear but not time invariant. So linear and time variant it should be. So linear and time variant. Okay. Right? Fine. Next, time invariant but not linear. Non-linear time invariant. Non-linear time invariant. Non-linear time invariant. Non-linear time invariant. So this is right. So this is R1, this is R3. Linear and time invariant. This is R4. P1 R1, P2 R3, P3 R4. Option E is right answer. Thank you.